video. Welcome back to another hair review. This one is a bit different because I'm still shook as it is. I got this beautiful unit from Keswigs and I'm stunned. First of all, you guys are going to notice the parting. I do not do a parting on my right side. I absolutely hate it. Maybe I hate it because I've never done it before, but this one, let's talk about it. Okay, let's talk about it. Absolutely insane. Let's just start there. Secondly, lace. Where is it? Where is the lace? Let's talk about it. Where is it? I don't know if this is an HD lace or this is a transparent lace, but they did what they had to do with the lace because I am absolutely obsessed. Okay, once again, I don't know what this curl pattern is, and I feel like once I put it in water I'll definitely know the true pattern, but it looks like a kinky curly, but I'm still not sure. But I'll have everything in the description box for you guys. You guys are going to see it through the video. It was such a breeze to put on this hair because not only of the lace, but it was easy to work with. The shading was very minimal. The only shading I got was because I cut the sides. So when you cut the sides, obviously there's some hair that you do cut as well. It's easy to work with, but most importantly, once again, the lace. I can't believe the lace. Like, I can't believe the lace. But with that being said, also, like I said, you guys know I wear curly hair all the damn time. This one, top 2 and not 2, okay? I can literally, if you guys watched my 2 previous vlogs, there's a wig that I have that I bought from this other company, World New Hair, and I thought that was the best curl of my life. No babe, this curl, top 2 and not 2. I cannot wait. Like I said, once I put it in water, I'll show you guys in a vlog also, but I also mention Keswigs so that they see that I mentioned them in the vlog, to see after I actually wash the hair and see what type of curl I'm gonna get. Guys, I didn't know the right side looks so good until now. I'm definitely gonna start wearing my curly hair on the right because I always wear my curly hair on the left, right? So I love this wig so much. I think it's 180, but this looks like 250 density to me, honestly. And it's a 24 if I'm not mistaken, but it's fairly long. Let me see. Yeah, it's a bit long because curly hair is different to straight hair. Straight hair, they can say 24 and it reaches your back. Curly hair, they can say curly hair and it reaches like your breast area. But this wig is absolutely amazing. I'm obsessed with it. Like I said, I can't wait for me to wash it and show you guys the real deal. But despite not me washing it, it still looks absolutely amazing. And I wouldn't do much to it in a sense of put too much water, because I wanted to put water and conditioner until I was like, I actually like it like this, like it's big. And you guys know I absolutely love big hair, but it's giving lace, it's giving scalp, it's giving laid. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But with that being said, let's not waste any time. Let's get straight into the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, please do follow Keswigs and go check out their hair. As for me, I'm obsessed with this. This is my new favorite wig. Okay, I thought that long 26-inch was, nah, baby, this is my new favorite wig. Let's not even lie. But with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, wait. You guys know I hardly speak on like wigs and weaves and anything like that. Like every time I do a video, I'll just make the video and then let me just put you guys correctly. Sorry. So every time I just make a video, I'll just put music over it. But I have never seen such curls in my life. Okay, you guys know I only wear. What on earth is this curl? Is this kinky? Okay, this looks like a kinky curly, but wow. And you guys know I only wear, well, not only, but like I absolutely love curly hair. Like I'm obsessed with curly hair. And one thing about me, get child, I'll wear curly hair. So when they asked me to send curly hair, I was like, okay, what's new? Like I always wear curly hair, so it's whatever. Like it wasn't like that excited, because I was just like, it's another curly hair. But what? It is so thick. I wonder how many. Okay, they sent me it's 180 density. I'll have to leave everything in the description box, because I am so shook on this curl. And I don't know if this is okay, this is not HD, but it definitely is a transparent what's this? It's a transparent do you guys see that? Let me just, do you guys see that? Absolutely amazing. I'm not sure if it's HD, but it definitely looks like a transparent frontal. I have never seen such a curly in my life. I know kinky curly. I'm just not sure if this is kinky curly. And I'm even at odds if maybe I should wash the hair first so that I can see the real pattern. I feel like with curly hair, once you wash the hair, you'll see the real pattern of the hair. But let's just do this. Okay, so this is the hair. It's a 13x4. It is a size medium cap. I asked for a medium cap. They also put in some straps. I'm assuming if you don't want to put glue, but I've never ever worn a 13x6 wig without glue. So these are what's this? They are stitched here, so you can't basically take them off. I don't like wearing these because they give me headaches, so I hope this one doesn't give me a headache. But the belt is adjustable, so it should work. But without further ado, I really already love this girl, so let's just get into it.